This is the Supply Chain Logistics channel, where we improve the way things are done. Where strategy meets supply chain management is where change finds its champion. Listen up, all of you sustainable strategists, all of you supply chain champions, and business development bosses. We're not here to be average. We're here to explode how you run your business. This isn't just a series about business. This is your strategic game plan. It is for the entrepreneurs who want to dominate their market, or you, the small business savants who will amaze and delight the customer, or the mid-size power broker, and the industrial titan. Yes, we're talking to all of you. We're launching far into the strategic supply chain universe to design, procure, operate, negotiate, and create great value. We're drawing up the plans for a future that'll have your competitors shaking in their boots, and your investors will need to stand up and applaud. You want good enough? Go somewhere else. You want the breakthrough strategies that cut through complexity like a laser? You are in the right place.